Patty from Cyprus has a question about weep holes.
No, she wants to seal. No, cheer up. It's not that kind of weep. It's this kind. She wants to seal hers during extreme weather. It looks like you put a...
That's such a close-up. It's almost weird
You
looking.
almost want to put a salve on that or something, you know?
No.
Does that look infected to you? Patty writes, we've sealed our brick 2 feet up with lattice seal and made barriers for our doors with waterproof paint. My idea with the weep holes is to insert a piece of backer rod and then some caulking and then called seal and peel over the top of it to waterproof it. Tom, Patty wants to know, and I think I know your answer to this. Will this help keep the house from flooding?
No.
There it is.
No, water's getting in. It's coming in. Don't seal the weep holes. If you want to seal them, fine. Wrap it with shrink wrap. Do whatever you want. If water comes up to the side of your house, it is not a boat. It is not a submarine. It's coming in. It'll be a little slower maybe, but it's coming in.
Aren't there like penetrations under the house where the water can come in?
It's going to find places wherever it can to come in. You cannot make it waterproof. If you could, it would be a very strange house. But in this case, no, this is just a waste of time. And I know people want to be proactive when this stuff comes. You know, well, we can do this, we can do that, we can sandbag, we can do everything. If your house floods, it floods. And if the water builds up against it and has nowhere to go, it's going to level out eventually inside as well as outside.
It seems like if the one thing you can get, if you have a house that's flooded and you don't like that, the one thing you can add is a for sale sign on the front lawn.
Yes.
That would do the job.
Or you can call Due West and raise it up 20 feet in the air, or...
Now, that wouldn't look strange at all.
Might be kind of cool, actually.
But, yeah, that's going on now. A lot of people are raising their houses because they're afraid.
I mean, we had this big weather expo. We talked to all these people, these experts, and one thing they all agreed on, if you flooded before, you'll flood again. It's just the nature of the beast.
And that's why they want to raise houses. All right, we're here to help you, good or bad. Send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. You can check our videos here, and please subscribe to our channel.